What's up, guys? We are on our way to the lab this morning. We are having a little get-together hangout with Jeep Latino Tampa Bay. We sponsor their club, and they're basically a really good group of people here local in the Tampa area that we support. They support the shop as well. So they're doing a little sponsorship appreciation day. So they're coming out. We're doing a little barbecue, some dominoes, some music, and basically just a good time with our Jeep friends. So stay tuned. Let him learn how to do this, man, the hard way. Peter, did you mess up again?
No. I'm fixing the wish plates and winches.
What is that? What is that?
I got dog.
Black to the red and red to the black. China does it backwards. Well, guys, that was it. We had a great time. We got a bumper installed. We got some rock lights installed. We got some side steps installed. Just a couple easy things to help out the community. So we had some great food on the grill done. So thanks to everybody who brought out something. It was a great day. And appreciate Jeep Latino Tampa Bay for being part of the Jeep Lab family. And we can't wait for our next event. So thanks, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe. And if you've got any questions, comments, put them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to them the best we can. And help us out if there's a video out there that you guys want us to see make about whether it's an install or an event we're going to. Let us know in the comments below. We'll do our best to take care of you guys. So thanks again. We'll see you next time.